Those things have come handy for me. Our father is, a very intelligent man and a very wise man. So we have spent a lot of time with our parents, and we still do. We still keep on learning from them, and what is to be morally, principally, ethically, correct. That is the most important thing. So we keep on doing that. We try and avoid everything which is not cool. Not cool. Keep that to the bare minimum, and we try and do everything which will help the society, which will, make us gain respect. We do mess up. Everyone does.
It's important.
Everyone. No, it's not important to mess up at all, but everyone does mess up, intentionally sometimes. Very rarely that, but unintentionally, we mess up, we get misunderstood, and that clears out over the period of time. So, I mean,